How to fix low volume on your Mac? If your Mac's sound is too quiet, even at full volume, this tutorial will walk you through a few simple fixes that can help boost the sound. First, click the Apple menu in the top left corner and open System Settings. Next, click Sound in the sidebar. Under Output, make sure you've selected the correct speakers or headphones. Now, increase the output volume slider all the way up and make sure mute is turned off. If you're using external speakers or headphones, also check that their own volume is turned up. Next, restart your Mac and test the sound again. You should also go back to System Settings, click General, then Software Update, and install any available macOS updates. If the volume is still too low, try disconnecting and reconnecting your headphones or external speakers, or test the sound with a different audio device to see if the issue is with your Mac or the device you're using. If none of these steps work, the problem may be hardware-related, and you may need to contact Apple support for further assistance. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, make sure to like the video, and subscribe for more Mac tutorials. And I'll see you in the next one.